This is the SkyRC PC1080, a dual-channel powerhouse charger designed to handle high-capacity LiPo batteries with ease and reliability. Built with industrial-grade aluminium and smart cooling design, the PC1080 is engineered for durability and thermal efficiency. Charge to batteries at once, each with up to 20 amps. That's a total output of 1080 watts, true performance charging. The LCD interface gives you real-time voltage, current and battery health data, all through a simple and backlit menu system. With overvoltage, short circuit and thermal protections built in, your batteries stay safe while you stay focused. Perfect for agriculture drones, RC pilots or repair centers, PC1080 makes high volume and charging simple and reliable. Tech specs like input 1130V DC, output 540W X2, max current 20 A per channel, XT90 connectors 6-8S, battery types LiPo, LiHV, Life, NiMH, PB. Get the SkyRC PC1080 dual charger now. Only at Bharat Skytech. Built for professionals, ready for performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exclusive content just like this.